Take a breath, a deep one. You're in the heart of Mayan land. Sunlight filters through the humid air. Around you, a living jungle, not a photo. You're here, right now. Look around. These aren't just ruins. They're shadows of the past. Once, up to 50,000 people lived in this city. Coba was a powerful center. And now, you're walking through its ancient veins. In front of you, Shabi. Its round base is rare in Mayan architecture. The name means crossroads, and it's believed this tower once guided travelers arriving through sacred white roads, the Sakbiob. Some theories suggest it had ceremonial or astronomical functions. Look at the stones standing here for over 1,500 years. To your left, the Pug-Tapuk ball court. This wasn't just a game, it was ritual, sometimes deadly. To the Maya, the ball symbolized the sun. The game, the eternal struggle between light and dark. Coba had several courts showing how important this place was. Sometimes it was the losers who were sacrificed. Sometimes the winners, the ultimate honor. Now you're at Makinchak, one of the most mysterious areas in Coba. Archaeologists still debate its purpose. But standing here, you feel something, even in silence. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine this place 1,000 years ago. A plaza full of people, priests, merchants, warriors. The sounds may be gone, but the story lives on. There it is, Nohoch Mul, the tallest pyramid in the Yucatán. 42 meters, over 100 steps. Since 2020, climbing has been prohibited to protect this ancient structure. But you can still imagine what it felt like to stand on top. Once, priests climbed it with fire in their hands and wisdom on their shoulders. From up there, they could see the jungle stretch for miles. They say on clear days, you could even glimpse the sea. Coba's Acropolis, the seat of power. Here stood administrative and religious buildings. Massive platforms, traces of columns, evidence of a complex society. You're walking among stone memories. This isn't just a ruin. It's a mosaic of power, faith, and daily life. You've walked your path through Coba. Maybe it took 10 minutes. Maybe 1,000 years. You didn't just look. You breathed, you listened, you walked. And now, Coba is part of you. Take one last look. Breathe in, and remember how silence sounds.